To glue this part here, this is already coming off already. So it's coming off all the way, you can see, coming off up to here. So the glue is still good on this side here. So we're just gonna glue from there to there, and quickly here. This whole thing is broken off here, broken off there. So we're gonna try to fix all this as well. Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Just want to show what I'm doing today. So this is the actual part that I was showing before. Now it's all, put some glue in there to hold it down. But the best way to do it is actually remove the whole front bar off and glue it from the other side properly, and use some screws to hold it on. But for now, that was loose, so that's what we just glue that on now, just like that. And now we'll come back to the inside of the car. There's the inside of the car. Everything's back on. I had to take everything, realign everything back on, put some new clips, more glue on top here, and more glue at the bottom here, so to stay on. So that's nice and tight there, nice and tight on top here, as you can see. It's a common problem with the Cayenne, so that side there is still fine, but this side here is loose. It's all come off. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.